Shunning the road, he neither hurts nor kills. Him I call a Brahmin, an Arahant true. Dhammapad 405. He has discarded the rod and set aside weapons. He does not hurt, neither the frightened, timid beings, nor stubborn, fearless beings. I call that person a Brahmana, an Arahant, who blows to beings has renounced, to trembling ones to hold, who blows to beings has renounced, to trembling ones to bold, who causes not to kill nor kills, who causes not to kill nor kills, that one I call a Brahmin, an Arahant true. Dhammapad 405. Asang sattang gohathehi anagarehi subhayang aneko saring apisang tamahang brahmi brahmanang.